today I have a makeup tutorial for you based on the new palette Mario and Kim have brought out. This is my little retake on their lovely photo shoot. So, in order to create this look, I'm going ahead and using my Holy Grail concealers because I'm a little bit tired. And just to mention, the products that I'm using are a way to create this look. Of course, go ahead and check out the palette if you wish. I haven't been able to get it on this occasion, but I do have some dupes or some similar shades. Now, using my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, there are a couple of shades that you can use as transition shades. Now, just pick the ones that are your skin tone or that suit you. Again, using a fluffy brush, and you'll see me today working the contours, the hollows of my eyes very, very well. This look needs to be a blast of cranberry. I believe cranberry is the sort of shade that they were going for. Blend all the edges with a clean, fluffy brush, and that will give you a seamless finish. Now, to replicate the warm cranberry, I have taken Insta from Nars, and I'm starting from the outer V, and I'm going to keep blending and adding, blending and adding. Looking at her picture, it's a really gorgeous sort of deep, deep cranberry shade, so I'm going to keep building that. Do the other side. It's all about blending and taking your time. Desert Rouge from Chanel is an incredible shade, and I'm using the top right hand red from the Nude Rich Huda Beauty palette, and just mix them together and start dabbing in the centre of the lid and follow the shape of your eyelid, and this will create that metallic shimmer effect. It's quite a simple look, really, really easy to recreate as long as you've blended your edges. This new Nars High Pigment Longwear eyeliner is beautiful. Kim doesn't have the cranberry under her eyes, but I decided to do it. MAC Costa Riche. Now, on Kim's picture, the liner doesn't seem black, it seems brown. So I'm starting a base of brown liner. I will add a very thin line of black liquid liner, but I'm going to blend first and pop some eyeshadow on top to seal this pencil. I had company, so I thought I'd film a tutorial as best as I could. Now, taking my Dior eyeliner pen, I'm doing a very thin line to mimic the lashes that I'm going to put on. I've curled my lashes and applied mascara and lashes and highlight. You know the drill, just let's get it done. Kim K highlight, J-Lo highlight, it's the highlight of the stars. Now, I found I left my highlight on for too long, so I decided to use some of my Smashbox primer water, and it just basically made everything more emollient again. And my Marc Jacobs foundation brush did the trick really well to blend everything together. So I'm using the Huda Tantour today, and I'm going to contour and curve the the contour around my cheeks, my chin, I got a bit of a spot there, and my forehead. And then anything that's left I'm going to contour down the nose. I don't like heavy nose contour. Using my Yachio brush, I'm blending everything to filth. It's just blend, blend, blend time to get those lovely chiseled cheeks. Laura Mercier to bake. You know the score, you know the drill. I absolutely love this powder. If you have any other suggestions for baking for me, please let me know, and I'd love to try it. Honestly, this look was so easy to do. I'm using a nude coloured eyeliner for the waterline to make my eyes appear larger and less tired. Brush the translucent powder away, and you can see the look is really coming together. So I'm finding for camera I'm having to bronze up way more than I would if it wasn't on camera, so bronze up to your heart's content. In Kim's picture you can see she has heavy bronzing. This lip liner is the perfect nude shade for my lips, and it makes my lips look so much bigger, from Jeffree Star. So with JLo and Kim Kardashian lips, I'm finding I'm overlining and really defining my lips, and then I'm having to mix a couple of nude shades and even apply a dab of concealer, because it gives me the lightness that I'm looking for without having to buy a lipstick that's far too light for me. So can you see it's made my lips look more plump by putting a lighter colour. Again, overline again or reline afterwards. Now this Clarins lip oil, oh, the gloss effect is insane, and it's non-sticky. So my Diorskin Nude Luminizer, I've put it everywhere. Now you can see me putting it on my forehead. That's because on Kim's photo that allows the light reflection to occur in photos. You don't have to do that in everyday situation if you have a textured forehead or just don't want highlighter up there. I was just trying to figure out how do I do the same effect of her photo, but I just stuck to posing for you a little bit. So this is my take on this look, heavily inspired by Kim Kardashian, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next one.